All right, we're back with another Money Origami Originals. Standing Heart. It's pretty cool. I just designed it. I needed to have a heart in my design collection. And this one stands up. You can put a little note inside. And so I guess you're here to fold it. Let's go. So we take the bill, fold it in half. You want the green side on the inside. Just crease it in the middle. Get it lined up. And just make it stiff in the middle. And then fold it the other way. And crease it on the sides. Okay. Now on the green side, up, make a valid fold in half. Go ahead and crease that. Open up. And leave it folded. Now make two diagonal creases by bringing the edges to the center crease. And leave it folded in half while you do this. And pull the paper this way so that it really binds in the corner. That'll make the front part of the point really stay together well. So once you got that, crease it down. Do the other side, but open this one up so you can bind this one just slightly past the edge of the corner over here too. Really tight. All right. Well, we could have folded the other one the other way first too. But now fold them the other direction. Both sides. Open up. Forgot to do this one earlier. So we have this one. Now we're doing this one. Alright. Okay, now fold the airplane fold all four corners in. And just get it started. Get the other one. And line it up really good. Crease that. I got a lot of models that I want to show. Some of them I don't feel like they're good enough yet. Maybe they are, I don't know. So now bring up these angle folds. These sides. Let the angle with that square form, and then crease it on this existing crease. to a point like that. Now I'm saying this is the back of the heart, and this is the front, because I think it looks cool with the little stars in the circle and the eye there. And so now you can flatten it all down. Alright, I've flattened mine. Now this is kind of to taste. You can either bring this point down inside even with this one, or you can go past that, which is what I'm going to do. Let me show you the difference. If you bring the point down about even, there's really lots of things you can do. You can have this side go up further, and you can bring the point down. So see, it's completely to taste. Now, the way I'm thinking, we want a little bit sticking past this folded crease. So I've got it down in there like that. So if you want, you can make them both the same by folding in half and folding the point down. This will give you a uniform shape. So this is the top of one side. So decide how you want the point up there and bend it down. It doesn't have to go past here, but we're going to tuck that corner inside. So now we can copy the fold. Well, let's fold it with the back on top. These need to be reversed anyway, so it doesn't matter. But that's why it's always best to watch them first and then fold. All right. Open that back up. And that's going to be better. Now reverse this inside. Straighten that up a little bit before you reverse it. Open up the other side. Tuck it down in there. And then we're going to take this point and bend it up inside this pocket. So this is optional. You don't have to do this part. If you want it to be a nice, easy origami, then just skip that part. I mean, it doesn't do a whole lot, except make it a little bit more neat inside. Less stuff sticking out. There we go. They're both tucked under there. And now to make the little stand, decide which side's going to be your back once and for all. So this is my back. And then fold up. There's 2 points. Fold up the top layer only to the center of that. intersection. Push that down. Now open these up like the old lantern fold. One of the first origamis I think people make. I don't know. I did as a little kid and I remembered it's kind of like the little lantern top. And you just pull these out until it makes a nice little, you can do one at a time, Paul. Until it makes a little rectangle back there. And then fold those two little rectangles down and just pull it out a little bit. And it stands up just like that. So there's the standing heart. Hope you like that model. Put a note inside, no problem. And if you want, you can bend these corners back and make it stand up like a table just for fun. Let's do it on the other one because I like that one how it is. So put this one back, bend these corners back. Just adding these folds back here. And then it's like a little table, see? Which this one is a cruddy doll, it's a prototype. So there you go. The brand new design money origami heart. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day.